Hey guys, it's Queen BRZ back here with another short video for you guys. As I mentioned in the last video, my Honda is pretty old and pretty plain, so I'm trying to do my best to go ahead and make it mine. So today we're going to be installing a new valve cover. And as you guys know, I love the color purple, so follow along with me as I switch out the old one to the new one. I fall in love too easily. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and use our 10mm wrench and socket to remove the 5 10mm bolts. So I'm just going to loosen them up really quick and then go in with the electric ratchet to make it quicker. You also want to be sure to get these two 10mm bolts off, this ground one right here and then this one right under here. So now that those are all loose, we're going to go ahead and remove the spark plug wires, and all you have to do is just lift up. So now that these are all out, we're going to go ahead and set them off to the side. And then we're going to go ahead and remove this breather tube. So I already went ahead and used pliers to go ahead and remove this clip, and then the next step is just to pull it off. And now it is time to remove the valve cover. These gloves are so big. So I was having a hard time removing these valve cover bolt seals. So I went ahead and got a little creative and got this tool right here and this exhaust hanger tool to go ahead and push it out like so. Cool. And voila. Breathe out. Ta-da! So that's just a little pro tip for you guys to help save some time. So now that the old seals are off, it's time to put the new seals on, which is what I already did. And next, we're gonna go ahead and put the gasket on our new valve cover. All right, so we're ready to put the gasket on. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this over here. It should be a perfect fit. As you can see, I already started kind of putting it in there. Okay, now we're just gonna guide it into place. The dip should match up with the dip. I'll make sure everything is nice and snug. Right, and now it's time to seal it up with some Honda Bond. So next we're going to go ahead and put some Honda Bond on these 4 flat spots right here where we seal the cams. Right, so now that we have the Honda Bond, we're going to go ahead and apply a thin layer over the 4 spots. And it says to use some sort of like spreader so that you can make sure that it's a flat surface, but you can go ahead and just use your finger. Okay, so now that we have the Honda Bond on the gaskets, we need to go ahead and put the valve cover onto the head. Cool, so now that that's all set in place, now it's just time to put everything back on. Okay, so now that everything is put in its place, I'm going to make sure to torque it all down and then push those spark plug wires in all the way. But I really love the way it makes the car look. It just gives it a whole new and modern feel. I love that it's purple. That's one of my favorite colors. And I love that it says VTEC Honda on there. It just looks so sporty and awesome. But yeah, as you can see, it's a really easy and quick install. So I encourage everyone to beef up your ride like Queen BRZ over here. But yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and like it down below. Tell your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yeah, I think that's all I have for today. Queen Bee out.
I fall in love too easily.